हाय गाइस। आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट अ वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल टॉपिक which has created hue and cry in the country, and this is about a recent order which is passed by the Supreme Court of India regarding removal of stray dogs from the streets. So basically Supreme Court ने मंडे को म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ दिल्ली एंड एमडीएमसी को डायरेक्ट किया कि सारे स्ट्रे डॉग्स को विच इज कम्युनिटी डॉग्स जो कि स्ट्रीट्स पर होते हैं उनको रिमूव कर दिया जाए स्ट्रीट से। साथ ही साथ कोर्ट ने ये भी डायरेक्ट किया है कि ये स्ट्रीट डॉग्स विद इन दिल्ली एंड एनसीआर रीजन 8 वीक्स में रिमूव कर दिए जाएं और इनको एक डेजिग्नेटेड शेल्टर एरिया में रखा जाए। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, the authorities have to also maintain a record of how many street dogs were captured on everyday basis. कोर्ट ने ये भी कहा है कि अगर कोई एक्टिविस्ट जो कि एनिमल वेलफेयर प्रोटेक्शन के लिए काम करता है, अगर वो इस चीज में ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन डालेगा, देन दैट पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो बी डिटेन्ड। एंड अगर अथॉरिटीज इस कोर्ट ऑर्डर का पालन नहीं करेंगी तो देन देयर कुड बी कंटेम्प्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स। Apart from this, the court has also ordered the authorities to maintain a record of how many animals or how many dogs were captured on daily basis, and उसके साथ साथ the authorities also have to create a helpline within 1 week जिसमें वो dog bite के cases को record करें। However, today this matter was mentioned before the Chief Justice of India, and the Chief Justice has said that he will look into the order which is passed on Monday on removal of stray dogs. So now this order has been appreciated by some people, but some are also against this order. The people who are supporting this order say that they have a right to freely move in the country and without the fear of dog bites. But the people who are opposing it say that there's a earlier order of the Supreme Court wherein the Supreme Court has said that dogs also have their own rights and they cannot be killed in an indiscriminate manner. Also, she has mentioned that there's an appeal pending before a Delhi High Court judgment, that in the appeal they have challenged the fact that the MCD authorities, despite having funds, have not provided sterilization and immunization to the dogs. This directive by the Supreme Court to remove stray dogs from the street has also raised the issues of available land to create enough shelters to remove these many stray dogs from Delhi and NCR region. Apart from this, there's another issue whether these stray dogs could be sterilized or immunized so that there are no other diseases which can be caused to the humans. So, do we have these facilities? Do we have enough facilities for removing these street dogs and confining them to a single shelter?